Tired of always having a some desktop? Today is the day we end it. Stick around. Get your awesome desktop in 90 seconds. Start right now. Get the Nexus dock and Rainmeter installer in the internet and install to your computer. After install the Rainmeter, first unload the default skins. After that, get this wallpaper and the Rainmeter skins in description down below. Select and load the skin, and drag the skins to the position you feel great. In this player setting, load the setting skin and select the choose media player to then click the player you usually use. Then, copy the background theme to the Nexus dock directory file, I write in the description down below. Create a folder in the local drive C and name the folder call dock, then copy the icons PNG files to the dock folder. Last, find and select my taskbar backup files to restore the Nexus dock. Subscribe for more awesome desktop